Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn Urdu Faster. Today, we are going to start Urdu learning series for absolute beginners. Language, how Urdu sentences are formed. In this lesson, you'll learn the basic Urdu sentence structure, how pronouns work, how gender agreement affects verbs, and how simple present tense endings change for masculine and feminine subjects. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how Urdu sentences are built, so you can start forming your own from day one. Let's start in English. In Urdu, we don't follow the same sentence order. This is something you need to remember throughout the journey. In English, we usually say, I eat an apple. The order is subject plus verb plus object. But in Urdu, the order flips a bit. We say, मैं सेब खाता हूँ. That literally means, I apple eat. So Urdu follows subject plus object plus verb. Like SOV rule, you can remember this for easily get Urdu simple tense structure. It might sound unusual at first, but once you understand this pattern, you can start making your own Urdu sentences right away. Think of Urdu like a story, where the action happens at the end. That's your golden rule. Who plus what plus do. Subject first, object next, and the verb comes last. Here is some examples. In English, he drinks water follows the structure subject plus verb plus object. Now in Urdu, wo pani peeta hai follows the structure subject plus object verb. Next is, she drinks water. This Urdu sentence is, wo pani peeti hai. Did you hear the difference? Peeta for male, peeti for female. That's one of Urdu's little secrets. The gender of the speaker affects the word ending. Don't worry, we'll later discuss this gender agreement in this video too. Now, before we go further, let's learn the pronouns, the words for I, you, he, she, they and we. Repeat after me. मैं, I, तुम, you, informal usage. आप, you, formal or respectful. वो, he or she. हम, we. वो लोग, they. Here's a quick tip. Use आप when speaking to elders, strangers, or anyone you want to show respect to. Use तुम with close friends or younger people. Now, let's learn how to say am, is, are in Urdu. In English, we say I am, he is, they are. In Urdu, these become हूँ, है and हैं. Here's how they match. 1. I am, मैं हूँ. 2. He or she is, वो है. 3. We or they are, हम हैं या वो हैं. Let's use them in sentences. मैं उस्ताद हूँ, I am a teacher. वो मेरा दोस्त है, he is my friend. वो तालिबे इल्म हैं, they are students. Now next, let's talk about gender agreement, which we little discussed at beginning of this lesson. This is something Urdu learners should definitely know earlier. In Urdu, verbs and adjectives can change slightly for male and female speakers. For example, if a man says, I am tired, it's mean, मैं थका हुआ हूँ. If a woman says it, it's mean, मैं थकी हुई हूँ. See, थका becomes थकी when gender switch. Here's another one. I am good. Male, मैं अच्छा हूँ. Female, मैं अच्छी हूँ. That small sound at the end tells the listener whether the speaker is male or female. Now, before we go further, let's build some complete sentences. मैं चाय पीता हूँ. I drink tea. मैं चाय नहीं पीता. I don't drink tea. Just add nahi before the verb to make a negative sentence. Want to ask a question? Simply add kya at the start. क्या तुम चाय पीते हो? Same words, just one tiny word makes it a question. Now it's practice time. Let's practice 3 sentences together. Say them out loud after me. 1. मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. I am going home. 2. वो मेरी बहन है. She is my sister. 3. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? Pause for a moment and repeat them aloud. Hearing your own voice helps you remember faster. Let's take a mini quiz. All right, quick challenge before we finish. Try to answer these in your head or in the comments. 1. How do you say they are friends? 2. How do you make I eat negative? 3. What's the Urdu word order, SOV or SVO? Type your answers in comment section below. I'll be checking them. Excellent! Now you know how Urdu sentences are built, and that one rule will help you understand every Urdu sentence you hear. Like this video, subscribe, and continue your Urdu journey with Learn Urdu Faster. See you later. Khuda